Hello my dear friends, I'm Stanislav Shamayev, a licensed business immigration and corporate attorney in Miami, Florida. In today's video, I will be discussing with you how to find a project, your endeavor, for the purpose of EB-2 National Interest Waiver Visa. At the end of this video, you will be able to learn how to get a free evaluation of your case. Let's go! Those of you who are watching this video right now, smash that like button if you have either bachelor's and 5 years experience or master's. Let's see how many of us qualify for this type of visa. Stanislav, I don't know how to find my endeavor that I'm going to be implementing in the United States of America. And you, Stanislav, tell me that you will not be able to make up a project for me. You're pretty much correct. You summarize it pretty well. But I'm here for you to help to develop that endeavor, that project. Why? Well, because we have hundreds of cases and I've seen a lot of projects and I know what kind of projects are good for the United States government. I'm not going to tell you exactly what type of project I want to see from you, but I'm going to give you all the tools in the world that are free and available to use to find your endeavor, your project. So get comfortable, get that popcorn, get that glass of wine, whatever makes you happy. Watch and listen really attentively. Let's break it down. And again, this video for you guys who are advanced, right? If you're a beginner, if you're like, what the hell is going on here? While I was watching the video that a guy was chasing a piggy and something happened, and then now I'm watching this guy telling me about, what is it? A national interest waiver? So this is not for the beginners, right? That's for those of you guys who already watched a bunch of my videos, did some research, and you kind of know that you qualify for this visa, but you want to know how to get the endeavor, how to satisfy the most important criterion, the national interest through your endeavor. If you are in that position, this video is for you. Let's break this down. We need to have something here in the States that the United States of America is gonna like so much that they are willing to let you come in, give you a green card, so you could start developing this endeavor, this project, that's gonna do good to the United States of America. So how do we find that project? Where do we start? It's all gonna depend on what qualifications you have. The easiest way is for those of you who are in STEM. What is STEM? Science, technology, engineering, mathematics. By this you can tell what kind of people we need here in the States, what kind of people the US government needs. Especially if you fall within the STEM. It's going to be much easier for you. So what do you need to do? Okay, you in STEM, let's say in electrical engineering. My wife is electrical engineer. She has master's and she has another master's in cybersecurity. So with that combination, she is so needed here in the States. People want her so much that when she wants to switch her jobs, she's finished with this job, with this company, she wants to go to the next company to get more money, to get a better social package, to get better benefits and things like that. She doesn't even post her resume online. She's being hunted and people chase her to work in their company because her skill set is so unique that she is really needed here. Through that, I know a lot of projects that go on in the States that need highly educated people. And because she's doing hiring for those companies for some projects, I know through her that there is no good people here with high education, with good skill set to work on the project. The shortage of certain type of people, and under the STEM category, I have to tell you, there is shortage for each one of you. Mathematicians, physicians, medics, doctors, IT people, cybersecurity people, you name it. So the first thing you need to do is to see if there is a shortage of that kind of specialist, whatever you do, here in the States. So you're an electrical engineer. You go online and type electrical engineer USA shortage. Bam! I guarantee the first 10 articles you'll find is going to talk about that. And the PhD professor is going to talk about that. A large company is going to talk about that. The federal agency is going to talk about that. So that's the starting point, right? You got a shortage of type of specialist that you belong to. And in STEM, there is shortage for everybody. So this is a good start. This is a good start. So we found the shortage. Now what? Now we need to find some kind of problem, some kind of more specific difficulty in the industry. For example, in electrical engineering, you may be dealing with solar panels. Maybe you design the fields, maybe you design the exact panels, maybe you maintain them, maybe you actually know how to install them. Whatever that is, there will be a problem in each of those things that I mentioned. You have to find the good spot. You have to take into consideration the hills, the geography, the topography of the land. You have to know what kind of solar panels are going to work better in this climate. This is a hot climate. This is a cold climate. There's a bunch of stuff, right? The angle, how you're going to install them, how far they're going to be from the infrastructure, and things like that. So you find the problem. Let's say there is a problem on how to design those fields in the States. Like there's no good way to design them, or all the ways they do, there's a problem. There is a difficulty. So, and you know how to fix that. Once you found that problem, and once you know how to fix it, you've done 50% of your project. Because now we can tell to the immigration officer, hey, you guys looking for people that are gonna solve the problems, right? Right. You're looking for people with high education or really unique skill set and experience and knowledge, right? Right. Okay, now we have a shortage of electrical engineers in the States. Here's the Article 1, here's Article 2, here's the Article 3, and so on. That's number one. Number two, there is Biden's administration directive to bring more STEM people here. Number three, USCIS actually tells us that we need this type of people for this type of programs here in the US, right? Right. Okay, so we have this guy from Pakistan, from Indonesia, from France, from Argentina, from Brazil, whatever, electrical engineer, and hey, he's doing the solar panels, and doing the solar panels, he can resolve this problem here. And this problem here is as follows. We describe the problem. People don't know the angle those solar panels need to look at the sky to be effective, the most efficient, right? Right. And here's the article saying about that. Here's the huge company complaining about that. So there's a lot of material. So this guy, and this is you, right? I'm talking about you. He already been doing solar panels for 5 years, 7, 10 years, whatever. He's done 20 fields that are working, and those fields are 5% more efficient than these fields that work in the United States of America. And here is the proof. Here's an article, here's a publication, here's an expert letter, here is a letter from the company that he was working for, and so on. If we bring this guy here in the States, with his knowledge, working in his consulting company or whatever that is, he's gonna come to the field of solar panels, and he's gonna tell the people who's gonna hire him how to do those solar panels fields properly. With that being implemented, the efficiency of those solar panels are going to be 5% better. And if we calculate all the solar panels that potentially we can make better, that's going to produce this much more energy as opposed to what we're having now. That means we have more energy that is cheaper with the same type of resources. Is this a national interest? Of course. I mean, look, if you can make a good counter argument, it's not, drop it in the comment section. I'm gonna argue with you till I'm dead, okay? So this is just an example. I'm trying to break it down to you so you can apply to whatever you are, whatever engineer you are, whatever mathematician, whatever you do in the STEM. Find that problem that you can solve having your experience, knowledge, and background. And I will be able to get you a green card with EB-2 national interest waiver if we have all the components of this program. Smash a like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and of course, Stanislav, how do I get a free evaluation of my case? I think I have a project. I think I already found the problem that you talked about that I can fix. So go down below this video and find the link to EB-2 national interest waiver questionnaire. Fill it out completely with details. Give me as much details as you can. Explain your research. When I analyze your answers, I do the best I can for you. And if I see the potential in your case, I will invite you to the immigration planning, where I will build the strategy of filing your paperwork. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on TikTok. I'm Stanislav Shamaev, a lawyer of the future. Your future begins here. Good luck.